Stop frying eggs the old-fashioned way with all that oil. Have you ever wondered why your fried eggs always turn out flat, dry, and a bit greasy? If you want fluffy, light, and almost melt-in-your-mouth eggs, try this tip right away. No cooking oil needed, and no complicated techniques, just a simple method that makes a world of difference. Tip 1. Fluffy scrambled eggs. I start with 5 eggs. Crack them into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. And pepper. Then whisk until the eggs are fully incorporated. Eggs are an ingredient I use quite frequently in the kitchen. Eating eggs every day, in moderation, can help the body get high-quality protein, which supports building and maintaining muscle. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins like A, D, and B12, as well as several essential minerals. Next, I turn on the stove and bring about 1 liter of water to a boil in a pan. When the water starts to boil, I reduce the heat to medium, then slowly pour in the beaten eggs. Right away, the eggs will break apart into soft, fluffy clumps that look just like cloud eggs. It's quite fascinating. I wait a little longer for the eggs to cook through completely, then use a strainer to scoop them out, drain them, and arrange them on a plate. Look at that, even without frying in oil, the eggs turn out soft, fluffy, and more airy than usual. Don't forget a little pepper as well. A bit of green onions adds extra flavor and makes the dish look even more appealing. Where are you watching this video from? Drop a comment below. I'd love to see people connecting from all around the world. Now just sprinkle some green onions on top, and when you eat it, you'll really notice how light and moist it is, nothing like the dryness you sometimes get with traditional frying. Tip 2. Fried tomatoes with eggs. I start with the tomatoes, slicing them into thin slices. Tomatoes are a very common ingredient in the kitchen. They're rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and especially antioxidants like lycopene, which are great for your health. Now I turn on the stove and add a little olive oil to the pan. Carefully place each tomato slice into the pan. Sauté gently until the tomatoes are tender and slightly charred at the edges. At this point, the tomatoes will release their juices and have a mildly tangy flavor that's very easy to eat. Meanwhile, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Added salt, and pepper, and whisked them until smooth. I finely chopped the green onions and added them to the egg mixture, stirring well to enhance the aroma. Once the tomatoes were ready, I poured the egg mixture into the pan, letting the eggs spread evenly over the layer of tomatoes below. Next, I sliced 2 pieces of cheese and placed them on top of the eggs. Look at that, the melted cheese, combined with the golden yolk, makes for a truly beautiful dish. Finally, once the eggs are soft-boiled and the cheese has melted, I gently transfer them to a plate. Just add a little ketchup, and the dish is complete. This dish is very simple, but quite addictive. The mild acidity of the tomatoes, the richness of the cheese, and the tenderness of the eggs blend together perfectly, making it a delicious choice for any meal of the day. Tip 3. Sweet potato and egg cakes. I start with 2 sweet potatoes that have been washed, peeled, and cut into bite-sized pieces. Sweet potatoes are a very familiar ingredient, but are extremely nutritious. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making them ideal for those looking to manage their weight. Thanks to their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes also make a great alternative to sugary desserts. Next, I put the potatoes in a pot of boiling water, cover it, and boil them until they're tender. You can test them with a fork. If it goes through easily, they're done. Once the potatoes are cooked, I remove them and let them drain. Now I use a masher to mash them until smooth. At this point, the potatoes are very soft, fluffy, and have a light, fragrant aroma. They're already delicious without needing much seasoning. Next, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of honey and whisk until smooth. At this step, you have complete flexibility. If you don't like sweet flavors or prefer a savory dish, simply replace the honey with a pinch of salt and pepper. Then I pour the mixture into the mashed potatoes and mix until it forms a smooth, slightly thick batter. Once mixed, you'll see that the mixture has a beautiful color, is smooth, and has a nice texture at this point. It's almost guaranteed to be delicious once fried. Finally, I heat a pan with a little oil. Then scoop the mixture into the pan to fry. I fry over medium heat until both sides are evenly golden brown. When finished, this dish has a slightly crispy exterior, while the inside is soft and naturally sweet from the potatoes and honey. It's quite similar to a simple pancake and makes a great breakfast or light snack. Once it's done frying, you'll have a crispy, golden exterior that smells amazing. Let's dig in. So today, we've gone through 3 cooking tips using eggs combined with familiar vegetables and fruits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.